Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the text size, background color and brightness on the Wikipedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on an article that you want to read, and after that click on this double T icon down below, and here you can find a scale at the top of this section. Here you can customize the text size, as you can see, also the brightness of your screen, and the background color is also available. So you have 4 options, as you can see, so feel free to select the right one. As you can see, it changes automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.